We got a lot of work to do. God dang it. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. It's going to be a good one, for sure. So yeah, we got a couple of things going on. We got the Super Adventure R, and we got a bunch of parts. And well, there was a party here in the garage last night, and for some reason, there is suddenly the Statue of Liberty with the 4th of July book. I don't know. And in case you didn't figure it out yet, well, I have some weird friends, so I have no idea why she's here, but I thought she was a lot bigger. But I never knew like the Statue of Liberty is the same size as me. I've never been in the States. I should really visit the States, but I didn't do it yet. Statue of Liberty. High five. So yeah, really in love with this bike. You could probably tell by my weird laughter I had when I did the first ride. Oh yeah, here we go. Anyway, so we do have a lot of parts. Not all the parts are here. Still don't have the carbon fiber, the black protection, but I have some plans with that. We do have the AKRAPOVIČ. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna install it today, because when I'm installing it, I also want to get the decibel killers out. And there's a couple of ways to get the decibel killers out, and it's a lot of work. We got some heated grips. We got some gas tank protection. We got some TFT screen protection. We got a lot of protection going on. I'm not planning on riding this thing soft, so it's gonna crash a lot. I'm gonna crash a lot. Probably, I don't know. We got the frame protection kit, another protection kit. We got the Zumo XT GPS unit. Really like Zumo. It's pretty expensive, but I gave my TomTom to my buddy and let him get lost all the time. I got a Garmin Zumo. GPS bracket to get the GPS a lot higher. And the bigger boxes, if I'm not mistaken, these are the seats. This is the ERGO Riders Lowered Heated Seats. Yeah, it's a lot of words. Now, the Super Adventure R, I have no idea where that twig came from, but I said it again, I keep saying it, it's not a Super Duke Adventure R, it's not a Super Duke R, it's a Super Adventure R, god dang it. Anyway, so for the Super Adventure R, it's not possible to lower your seat if wanted. You gotta buy other seats that are lower or higher. So I bought another seat. And if I'm not mistaken, the other seat is in 2 parts. So we got the back part and we got the front part. Yeah. And in the big box over there, I'm pretty sure that is the Pannier Carrier. And I'm just gonna call it another protection part. Because when I crashed the Adventure 1290R, just the same as this one from KTM headquarters. There was no scratch on my exhaust. And well, I got the AKRAPOVIČ exhaust, and I'm probably gonna crash the bike. So I was like, these things did a pretty good job protecting the exhaust when I crashed it. So I needed those. Probably gonna paint them black also, because these ones are silver and the original protection bars are like orange, and it's mayhem. It's just mayhem. And as you guys know, I don't want to have a riding color book. And it's pretty colorful right now. So I'm gonna make it a little bit more darker. A little bit more on the black side. So first thing we're gonna put on, the display protection sticker. I'm not gonna lie, I screwed this one up, like really screwed it up. In the protection kit, there is 2 of these plastics to cover it, and I fucked up both of them, like really both of them. So you get like this little cloth, this little KTM cloth, looks pretty decent. You get the squeegee, and you get the dust absorber. Like, I used every freaking thing in the book, and still I got a hair underneath it. I have no idea how I did it. Anyway, so I was just squeegeeing myself away, like there is another protection layer right here, as you can tell. So I was just squeegeeing the protection layer like a maniac, trying to get no bubbles. And when I tried to get the cover off, fuck! So yeah, that looks like shit. So for some reason, I can do a lot of cool things in my life, but if I have to put a glass or a plastic screen protector on a phone or on a stupid screen, I just can't get it done. There's hairs, there's bubbles, there's like, for some reason, good thing this thing wasn't that expensive. So yeah, it's like 10, 15 euros. Gonna get another one, get 2 more chances. That was a pretty shitty way to start the day. Anyway, next up, gas tank side protection sticker kit. Again, stickers. So these are the black screen protector. They look like those, yeah, they're like really rough. Really like that. Look at that. Yeah, well, it's a freaking Monday, but that turned out pretty well. Still, I have no idea why they put these giant warning stickers on fuel tanks of big boy bikes. Like, warning, always wear a helmet. And yeah, GPS bracket all the way up here. Because for one reason and one reason only, when I'm riding my bike and I gotta navigate, I wanna do like that. And that's about it. I do not wanna do like that. This is weird. This is better. See that? There's not a lot happening. I used to have my Zumo navigation on my handlebar. It was down here next to my big screen in front of me, but I noticed that when I'm riding, I always gotta kinda look down. And I really do not like to look down. So when you're looking at the road, you're like, where the hell am I? And you're trying to navigate and looking down here, you have no idea what's going on over there. So it's pretty dangerous. So, new navigation coming up here. So when you're riding, you get more of a, you know, yep. Did you stay for so long? Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Anyway, back to it. You've been here for a couple of minutes, so take a seat. Oh man, that was kind of cringy. Gonna remove the seat. Lower ergo lowered heated front seat. And I got a back seat. Should be 2 parts now, not 1, 2 parts. 2 boxes. This is probably one of the most satisfying buttons I've ever seen on a KTM or any motorcycle whatsoever. It's so satisfying. They should make the turn indicators with that button because, well, like I said before, the turn indicator really sucks on this KTM. It's just brand new. Ooh, this looks decent. Ugh. Ooh. Oh. Decent. This is a pretty darn good looking seat. Awesome. Ooh. Now that's some good ass looking sofa material. Look at that. Decent stitches, decent stitches. And the smell is, I could just still smell the cow. Not sure if these seats come from cows.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Anyway, so as for the heated seat, the connector is right below this plate. So you get the battery, it's over here. You can just push this one out. Here we go. So you get this little connector right here. And this one just connects to the one underneath the seat. And there you go. Well, you gotta admit, this seat looks badass. But a seat can look as good as it wants. If your butt hurts as much as your first week in jail, I don't want it. And this is supposed to be a little bit lower, so let's test that out. It's a little bit lower. This one, it's got like two different modes. One a little bit up, one a little bit lower, and yeah, it's not a lot, but I mean, it's something. So there is a little problem with installing the heated seats and the heated grips. The software needs to be opened up. So yeah, I can't test if my heated seats or heated grips work right now. Still don't have my off-road tires. So the first 1,000 kilometers, it's going in for its first service. It's going to be pretty fast. So first service, they're going to open up the software for free. So I can use my heated grips and heated seat. Yay, we got some more orange. Yeah, some of you guys know from our previous videos, I am wearing the KTM hoodie because it's warm and it's KTM and it looks fancy. But I am not really a big orange fan. Yeah, I like KTMs and I like it when they're black or blue and white like this one. But I do not want them to be like too orangey. And this, I mean, I've got this in orange, which I'm gonna paint, and I got the frame in orange, which I'm not gonna paint, but there's a lot of orange going on, and with this, it's like even more orange. So I think I'm also going to paint this one. See what I mean? I mean, that thing just clicks on, so it's pretty obvious. It's pretty simple. It's not, I mean, it's not rocket science, just to click it on. But I mean, look at it. It's starting to look more and more orangey. I don't know. Case carriers, or pannier carriers, or whatever you want to call them. I just call them crash bars. So we got a lot of bolts, a lot of nuts, no instructions. The instructions are all online these days, so no more paperwork or books or whatever in these boxes. Everything is online. As I said, I'm not going to install the case carriers just yet, because, well, they're like stainless steel, silver colored, like it's not going to fit. So these are also going to be painted black. The frame protection is going to be painted black, and the crash bar in front, which I'm gonna take that one off also. Just gonna have everything painted all at once. And yeah, as for today, we got the seat installed, we got the GPS bracket, case carriers, pannier carriers, and the crash protection is going to be painted, so can't continue with that just yet. Next video probably going to be the AKRAPOVIČ exhaust, but we have to get the decibel killers out, so it's gonna be a decent video. Cheers guys, see you in the next one, peace.